We have some new numbers out this morning looking at the health of our economy. Haley Wooden with Business in Vancouver is joining us now, and some strong new figures from Stats Canada.
That's right. We're looking at the second quarter of this year for real GDP growth. It was up by nearly 1 percentage point quarter to quarter, fueled in large part by a bump in export volumes up 3.2%. But if we look at this on an annualized basis, we actually see that real GDP figure jump up to 3.7%. It's actually significantly higher than that pace of growth in the U.S., which saw a rate of growth at 2%. Two other figures I want to point out. We've seen the export of goods recover a little bit after 2 quarters of declines, up 3.7%. And one factor constraining growth in that second quarter is a lack of business investment. We saw that figure decline by 1.6% quarter to quarter.
All right, and another story that we're following today, we've been following for a few weeks now, and that has to do with Air Canada's bid to purchase Air Transat. I understand it's cleared another hurdle.
That's right. Week by week, it's slowly jumping over those hurdles, and many hurdles that are required to close this deal. The most recent one is that it's gotten approval from the Superior Court of Quebec to proceed with its $720 million acquisition of Air Transat. Last week, it received approval from shareholders to proceed. We do know, though, there's still a number of conditions that need to be met, and recently Transport Minister Marc Garneau said that this deal really does require additional scrutiny before it can be closed. That, of course, expected to include quite a bit of scrutiny from the Competition Bureau. But if all goes well, Air Transat predicting that the deal closes in the second quarter of next year.
Got it. Haley Wooden with Business in Vancouver on this Friday morning. Thanks, Haley.
Thanks, Sonia.